in total, either you can use sum function. Sum is the easiest way to calculate the total, and then you have to specify the range. You move your mouse cursor like that, close bracket, press enter. So what happened? This is the total. The second way of doing total is you can insert the formula, like here you can add first address, then plus symbol, second, again you plus, then here again plus, and this address. So here I have added 4 address. Okay, first one represents science, math, then computer, then English. Then here simply you press enter key, same answer is coming. Then here you drop down downside, then the total is coming from the other record also. Now it's a time to calculate the important thing, percent. So for that you have to use formula. So here you must be aware about the math. So in mathematics you should know how to calculate the percentage, so that you can easily create the formula. And if your math is very weak, then the things will be difficult for you. So you must be little bit aware about the math. So here what happened, percentage means total divided by, means total means whatever the mark you got, it is divided by total actual mark. So what happened here, total is 143. So here I am clicking, so this address is inserted here, and it is divided by total mark. Okay, you have to represent the mark whichever you got, means the total means this is the summation of all subject mark, and then it is divided by total mark. Total mark means suppose in each subject paper is 100 mark, then here total will become 400. Suppose each subject is having, suppose here we have 100 mark, then here you have suppose total 50 mark. So in this way the simplest thing is you have to do the addition of each one. Okay, and after that whatever the total mark is there, that you have to write. So here the simple thing is, I am assuming each subject is having total 100 mark. Okay, so out of 100 this student got such mark. So here 100 plus 100 plus 100 and plus 100, so it will become 400. So whatever the total subject total will come, that total you have to write downside. Then next one is into 100 for getting percentage. For avoiding confusion I am using bracket. So this calculation will be done first. Okay, so you have to means total mark 143 divided by 400. That answer will come in point into 100, so we will get actual percent. So here 35.75, these are the percent value. So you can observe here the percentage is coming for each and every row. So this is the easiest way to calculate the percent. For that you have to use the formula like that. Here the total mark divided by total mark, means the total mark here means the actual mark whatever you got, and here total subject marks into 100. So this is the formula of getting percentage. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Only in table format. So I have a table here. You can see item first, second, third, and fourth total. So here apple, orange, and mango, banana. So these are values. And for example, here in the last column, in the total column, I would like to do the product. So the formula is press Alt A O. Remember the key and don't be confused about my pronunciation. Hold the Alt key and press A O. The formula will appear here. You can see. Okay, the formula is here, and I don't want to do the sum, I want to do the product here. So I will change this one like product. That's it, product from the left side, because I have the value in the left side, and press OK. Look at that, I will show you. Okay, wait a second. Look at it, you can see here the total value. And the next column I will show again. To go to formula, press Alt A O, and here I will change the product, and I want to do from the left side, so tap the left. That's it. So like this you can do sum also. If you want to do on to sum, go to formula, Alt A O, and here already given the sum formula, so just press enter. Look at that. And the next column, if you want to do the same thing, go to Alt A O, and here you have to change because it is given the sum, but here you can see the above. It means the formula will take from the above, but we don't want to take above, we want to take the from the left side. So here just change the left and press OK. That's it. So like this you can do all product, minus or divided or percentage or anything of the calculation you can do easily. But in the first time, in the beginning, you feel some difficulty, but if you got some practice up to 2 or 3 days, you will do it very fast. And I will show you, if you are getting the difficulty, I will show you other method to do this. So first we will do product, go Alt A O and just delete this. Okay, just delete this, and here you can see paste function. In the paste function, just extend this, and here you get the ready-made formulas. Like if you want to do average, just click on, and here you can see the average sign is come. Tap the here from the left, you can see left, and now press enter. Look at that. So like this you can change any formula by giving the particular your product or some round like this and some like this. So I will show one more easy method for professionals. So I am going to do the product for all columns of total columns. I will change the product instead of sum, and I will copy this formula. Look at that. I am going to select this all and copy this by pressing Ctrl C and OK. So first column I got the product. In the next column, go to formula Alt A O, and you don't need to type the formula, just paste it. Ctrl V to paste and enter. That's it. Look at that. Ctrl V, paste, and that's it. So this is the first way to do the calculation as the same. If you are going to do the same product for all total column, or if you want to do the sum, here you can see already is sum from left side. So copy this and press enter, and for next go to Alt A O and select this and paste, press enter. Look at that. Left side. Look at that. Go to press. If you want to do the product the same method, but it's little tricky, you have to understand this, and it's not a very easy to do this, but if you do practice 2 or 3 days, so you can get easily. So in the last column I will do the sum or product. Okay, I will do sum above. Look at that, and I will copy this formula. Just select this and copy, and OK. And now in the next column I don't need to type the formula, same formula, because I have copied the formula. Just go to Alt A O and select this and paste this, enter, and select this, paste this, enter, select this, paste this, enter. So this is the easy way to do anything in the calculation in the Word, like product or sum or minus. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.